Hey, what's going on, everyone? I just want to show you for a moment just how active this medium is. So I'm using lacto, paulownia leaf, frass, tomato, ferment, and a little bit of fish aminos. And this has been a day, just one day. I'm just gonna go like this. Very active. I'm using lacto and the paulownia leaf to feed this fermentation because the paulownia has a lot of sugar in there. So now it's going to build that top layer again. I added some aerobic bacteria, not a lot, I just stirred it a little bit, get this reaction going, get some things to oxidize a little bit, and the lacto will help generate positive anaerobic bacteria that won't have pathogenic responses when I add this to the soil. So it's going to be very clean fertilizer just through scrubbing it with beneficial microbes such as lactobacillus, and using class 3 chitinates to break things down via tomato juice. And we're creating incredibly bioactive nutrients here with tons of trace minerals just because it came out of a bug's ass. So there we go. Thanks for watching.